Perfect coffee break, right? You actually have an idea how much such a coffee costs on a semiconductor construction site? I will tell you in a second. Hey, so you may ask yourself, what is he talking about? But when I figure about such a cup of coffee and I consider what are actually people doing on site, let's assume we have a decent semiconductor construction site consisting of roughly 500 workers working there, which is, I believe, on the lower edge of people really working there. And we consider a construction site of roughly 1 year. Yeah? Let's say we also consider that one person, for example, welder, is taking 2 coffees a day. So what is this welder actually doing in the moment? Let's say he feels like he needs decent coffee and stops working. So that means that he would certainly take care of his equipment, secure his work, probably put some parts of his equipment into safe areas because he needs to secure his working space around. And then he would walk off site. He would basically dongle off and then consume his coffee, come back in, dongle in, and then he would start to prepare his work again. So in total, I would say he is busy with roughly getting out of gear, getting into gear of roughly 40 minutes. Let's assume that costs €100. Yeah? Taking this into account, taking into account that he may consume 2 coffees and we have 500 workers on site, work for 1 year under these conditions, then this coffee consumption on site costs you roughly €20 million. That's, I would say, a pretty, let's say, frightening number. The question is certainly, what can we do to reduce it? I know it's a bit polemic here, but the question is, how can we, let's say, put more efficiency in the construction of a semiconductor site? What methods can we use? What equipments can we use in order to, let's say, reduce the amount of workers and increase efficiency on a semiconductor site? These topics are certainly very detailed, certainly too short time for here and now, but I would like to introduce you into this series of topics that we would like to continue within this framework of video FAQs. So far, I hope I could raise some interest for this topic, and I would like to welcome you very much in one of our following sequences here. So far, stay healthy, stay tuned, and take care.